Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and I hope your weekend is going well. I got another awesome free watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one is a definite download, especially considering that the watch face is free. The name of it is called Aventa Silver. It's a nice silver daytime watch face. This one is a dress down casual wear for the work week and or for a nice casual weekend. Now, in the AOD mode, I really like this black look. It has an elegant look and feel to it. Now, I wish that I can customize the watch face to this black mode, like whether I can double tap on it and turn it black at night and then leave it on silver in the daytime, or have it automatically change from daytime mode to nighttime mode. But considering that the watch face is free, this is definitely not a deal breaker. So if you look at the watch face, up at the top, you're going to get your battery percentage, and it's going to be in a gauge type of thing. And you also come down in the dial to your left, you're going to get your heart rate information, and to the dial on your right, you're going to get the days of the week. Come down to the bottom, you will get your step status info, and it is inactive. So if I tap right here, I can go into my step status. Here will bring me up my heart rate. Up here, of course, my battery. And over here, my calendar. So I thought it was a good look for a free casual dress down watch face. I thought you guys might like it for a daytime watch face. But the one thing that I wish that the watch face had was black index. That would have brought out the watch face and gave it a very nice look. Now this look is going to be really nice for the Galaxy Watch Active 2. It's going to really be nice. I think the silver is going to set it off, especially with the black bezel that's going around the bezel of the watch. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.